We're back again here and we're just hanging out at the hotel room. Ha ha ha! This is how the hotel room looks like again. There's all of that stuff there and that. And this is the CR, it's nice. And the CR over there. And then this is the shower. You can see the shower inside. And what's inside here is that. That's what's inside here. Like that. You got your TV, and then you got a table where you can work. I don't think there's a ref here, right? Is there a ref here? Is there a ref? Oh, there's a ref here! It's cool, but it's not closing properly. And baby's playing. What are you playing?
Brotato.
Brotato. And then we're going out here so you could see outside. Well, there's daytime because last time it's no daytime. At the poolside, and we're just thinking of what to do. Chairs here to relax. Are there people swimming? There are some people who are swimming. That's all there is here.